Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to yet another Crypto Sensei livestream. Hope you're all having a fantastic day as I am. I'm having a great day. It's, another XRP Monday. You know how it is, guys. Taking it little by little, taking it super duper chill. Thank you for stopping by for this little hour of power with here, guys. You got me for a whole hour. You can ask any questions that you guys have. So big shout out for everybody here on the live stream. Kind of noticing that my mic is like super, let me see if I can lower it a little bit. The gain, there we go. Testing, 1, 2, 3. That's pretty much the best level right around there. So how are you guys doing, guys? Big shout out to everybody here. We got a damn good show for you today, guys. A very important show. Ta-da! Big shout out to Tato over on the Twitch. What's up with you, Tato? It's all good, chilling like a villain. You say chilling like a villain, and I say I am feeling like a villain. I'm chilling out, man. I'm super duper chill right now. Crypto is in a major breakout zone right now, so we really don't want to do anything just yet because we don't know what the hell the market is going to do. So stick around. We're going to find out today, that's for sure. Smash that like button if you haven't already, guys. Trying to get to all-time highs. You know how it is. Big shout out. Tato says that I sound perfect. Okay, perfect. Yeah, no, because for some reason on the OBS software, the meter for the volume, it went all the way towards the red. So maybe the gain for the microphone was too high. But it is cool. It's good enough right now. So big shout out for everybody here on the live stream. We're going to have a great show for today, guys. We're going to be talking about these markets. We're going to see what the hell is going to happen. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Are we going to go sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Stick around and smash that like button if you haven't already, just to make sure that we get to all-time highs on all the crypto platforms right out there. Guys, I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube, I'm on Twitch, I'm on Kick, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok. I'm all over the place. No reason not to get the news, not to get my price action on these cryptos markets today. Also, guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I would do my best to do any TA on whatever coins you want to look at, any markets that you want to look at. Also, doesn't have to be crypto. If you guys want to talk about stocks, we can talk about stocks. Judy! Big shout out to Judy over on the TikTok. How you doing, Judy? It's all good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain. Let me set up a few things over here. Boom. Connect to TikTok just to make sure that I have the chat box on. Judy, how you doing, Judy? Judy, big shout out to you, Judy. It's all good, my man. Just taking it easy little by little. We're going to have a great show for today, guys. Great show. Smash that like button. The more you smash, the higher the XRP price goes. So let's get it to all-time highs. See if we can get to that 1,000 like mark over on the TikTok. So what's up with you, Judy? What you been up to, my man? You're here every day, man. You're here every day. You're one of my black belt students right here, my man. You don't miss a beat. You don't miss a class. So big shout out for everybody here on the live stream. Make sure that you smash that like button and follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm here every day at 5 p.m. Eastern. Today I had to start a little bit later. Had a few things I got to take care of, but I'm here. If I'm not here at 5, I'm here at 5:30 p.m. I'm thinking about starting to stream at 5:30 to give people a chance to get out of work and whatnot. They're on the way home, so they have this little hour of power to chill the fuck out after a harsh day at work. Stop on by, ask away, guys. Whatever you guys want to do. That's good to see you, Judy. That's good to see, my man. All good. That's good to see. The all clear. Looking at the markets today, guys. Look at this, guys. Green across the board. That's super duper to see, guys. If you've never seen this before, this is called crypto bubbles. You can sort of see a macro point of view of how the crypto market is behaving. We see green right around across the whole board right here. That's super duper good to see, guys. We're in a major critical breakout zone right now on Bitcoin. This exact week is going to dictate the future of Bitcoin right here, right now, guys. You are experiencing history in the making. It's fun times, guys. Fun times. That's why I stream, because I want to record every single pump and dump in cryptocurrencies, guys. Ta-da! Neto over on the Twitch is saying, today I would like to drink till wasted and get into a jacuzzi, but I don't have a jacuzzi, neither alcohol here. Then you are having a bad day. You're having a sucky day, my man. You don't need a jacuzzi, my man. Just go to the shower, turn it on. Let the hot water just sip in. Put some meditation music on the background. There's a bunch of meditation music in the background, guys. And chill out, man. Get some weed and go for it. Why not? You tato over on that shit saying, oh, you don't know a bit. You don't even know. But yeah, I will literally do it. Bro, whatever it takes. Imagination. Imagine that you're in a jacuzzi with a hot babe and you're drinking some whatever the hell you like to drink and you're smoking some weed on the other side, and then, just chill. Lay back, man. Problems are never permanent. One way or another, things get resolved. Whether good for you or bad for you, they're going to get resolved either way. And guess what? Nobody gives a fuck. So don't give out too much thought into bad things in life, because nobody cares. Nobody's going to help you. Guys, let's get our shorts ready. We're going to go in it today. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Trying to get to all-time highs on all the platforms out there, guys. Just remember that I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube, I'm on Twitch, I'm on Kick, I'm on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I'm all over the place, guys. No reason not to get the news. We see green across the board. You can see it right here on the screen. Green across the entire board. That is beautiful to see. On the charts itself, major critical zone right now on Bitcoin. Check this out. Look at that. Right there, we're going to talk about that. This right here. This is what's going to dictate what the hell crypto is going to do in the future right now. The next 3 months are going to be absolutely bazonkers, guys. This right here. We're going to talk about that today. You're going to see what the hell I'm even talking. You don't even know what the fuck I'm saying. Stick around, guys. Stick around. We're going to have a great show for you today. We're going to have a very important show because this is going to tell what the hell crypto is going to be doing. This is what we were waiting for, guys. Let's make it happen. Let's go. Big shout out to Vincent D Talk over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Major shout out to Sound Money. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Chudy. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. You guys are amazing. Thank you for I appreciate each and every one of you guys. You're here stopping by for a little hour of power. I'm not going to let you down. We're going to talk about these markets. Takes notes, guys, because this is it. This is the breakout zone for Bitcoin. We're going to look at it today. We have a major cup and handle formation happening right now, a macro point of view. Cup and handle playing out for Bitcoin. Oh, my man. Love to see it. I love to see it, guys. Let's go for it. Tato over on the Twitch saying, I'll fill up the shower at the relaxing music and just rest and get some sleep there. Dude, that's a great fucking day for me. I wish I could take a shower and just chill the fuck out. But no, Bitcoin's not letting me chill the fuck out. It's just so much stress, so many things, guys, so many things. Smash that like button if you want Bitcoin to go to $100,000 by tomorrow. The more you smash, the higher it goes. Shout out to Sound Money saying over on the TikTok, I always tell people having some will be better than having none. You preach, brother, preach. Having a little bit of Bitcoin is better than having no Bitcoin whatsoever. Having a little bit of XRP is better than not having any XRP. Come on, guys. What? It's just we're talking about what? 48-cent XRP right now? 30K Bitcoin? My man, let me tell you right now, a year from now, you're going to wish you got Bitcoin at 30K, especially XRP. You're going to wish you got XRP at 48 cents. I'm going to tell you right now. I'm putting it out there, guys. Video proof that I said it here. I said it here live. Sound Money over on the TikTok saying, you hear so many saying, oh my God, I can't afford 31K. Oh, always remember, you don't actually need to buy Bitcoin as a whole. You can buy pieces of a Bitcoin. You don't have to buy a Bitcoin at 31K. You can buy, if you have $100, you can buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. Because you don't have to buy an entire Bitcoin. But that's the thing. This is why I show so much XRP on this channel. Because XRP could be the next Bitcoin. It's an entirely different asset class, and it's an entirely different coin. It does something completely different. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to go to $30,000, but I'd rather buy a million XRP at 47 cents, which makes me have a shit ton of XRP, than $30,000 worth of Bitcoin, just to see how fast and how high XRP could go. Guys, it really doesn't matter how much you have. It's just that you have some. Have something. Be in it. It's like the Powerball. You can't win the Powerball if you don't play the fucking game. If you don't buy the ticket, just buy something. Whatever the hell you want to buy. All completely up to you guys. All complete. I'm strapped in, guys. My bags are filled. Whether it goes up or whether it goes down, I'm in it. I'm in the game. I'm in the zone. You know how it is, guys. Big shout out to you, Sound Money. Thank you for stopping by. Always good to see you guys. Tato over on the Twitch saying, not gonna lie, if I ever get out of this pelambrena, which those who don't speak Spanish means that you're poor as shit, I want to try crypto again, hand by hand with you, cause you know this. I don't, dude. That's why I do this every single goddamn day. I teach you guys everything you need to know. My trading style, the crypto sensei trading style, is like none other out there, guys. You're not gonna find it anywhere else for free, for free, which is the best part. I don't charge for nothing. Only an hour of your day, guys. You know, just to have a little bit of fun. Let's see if we can make some money. Big shout out for everybody here on the live stream. Thank you for smashing that like button, guys. We're trying to get to that all-time highs, guys. 10K likes on TikTok. That's where we're going to try to get in on today. Let's see if we can play it out, guys. Today's an XRP Monday. Today's a Bitcoin Monday. We're going to start this week off on the right side. We're going to go to the moon, guys, this week. This week is going to be critical. Let's see how it actually plays out. But I'm seeing just, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. Stick around. We're going to give it one more minute, and we'll start the class. Let's see who else gets here, guys. Big shout out for everybody here. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for sharing the information. Also, guys, if you can share with everybody out there, go right ahead on all your social media. We're going to try to grow this community as much as we can. My goal is 10,000 by the end of the year. Let's see if we could actually make it happen, Gavin. Can't do it without you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your time. Thank you for sharing the information. So if you guys can share it with everybody you know, I highly, highly appreciate each and every one of you. Sound Money over on the TikTok saying exactly that's how you get out of being poor as shit. You must sacrifice everything today to have everything tomorrow. Yeah. I mean, sometimes, let me tell you right now, my man, sometimes that's easier said than done because not a whole lot of people can get out of the hole wherever the hell they are. They feel comfortable wherever the hell they are. Even if it's bad as shit, some people just want to be fucking miserable. Some people just want to be fucking miserable, and I don't blame them. There's a lot of bad shit around the world, guys. There's a lot of empty promises and people who just don't follow through. What the hell is my camera doing? The camera doesn't want to lock in on me. Come on, camera. What the hell are you doing? Get in there, man. Get in there. What are you doing? Oh, my camera don't give a fuck. Okay, there you go. Thank you. Oh, man. I've been there so many fucking times. I'm still there. But I don't let it beat me down. I hold XRP. I don't care about anything else in the world. I hold XRP. I don't need anything else. I got God and XRP. You don't need nothing else. Big shout out for everybody here in the live stream. Thank you guys. Dwayne Peterson. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. My man Dwayne. We're gonna go in it, guys. We're gonna go in it. One more minute and we'll start the class. Make sure you set up the charts, guys. Ooh, look at XRP. XRP doing its thing. Oh man, XRP is just tiptoeing to the upside. It's like, oh my God, it is tempting me like there is no tomorrow. XRP just look at that, guys. Look at this. That's XRP right there. It's just breaking out of that zone. Oh, we're gonna talk about that today. We're gonna talk about it today, guys. One more minute. We'll start the class, guys. Smash that like button. Share the information. Follow from whatever platform you're looking on me at, because we're going to go in it today. If you guys want better quality streams, I also stream on YouTube, TikTok, and YouTube, Twitch, and Kick, and Facebook also. All those links in my bio. You can go ahead and follow me there. No excuses not to get my entry prices, not to learn how to trade crypto. We're going to go in it today, guys. We're going to have a great show. Thank you for stopping by. Let's get our charts ready. We're going to do this. Tony the Tiger. Big shout out to you, Tony the Tiger. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Man, my camera just does not give a fuck about me. It is not locking in on me. Come on, camera. What the hell are you doing? That is funny. All right, guys. Let's start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money or are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. So looking on the screen right now, you're looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the big mama bear. That's why I always start with Bitcoin first, because Bitcoin is going to dictate whatever the hell the market is going to do. Every single coin is tied to Bitcoin. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, start with Bitcoin first, okay? Zooming out on the daily chart, this is the daily chart also. I was looking around during the weekend, looking at starting the market, and I'm kind of realizing that there is a major pattern playing out right now quite beautifully to the upside. A major bullish signal playing out on Bitcoin right now. And that is a cup and handle formation. And it is such a beautiful cup and handle formation. What do we see here? If you see on the screen right here where I'm drawing, what do we got? We got a cup situation happening right over here. We have the cup area. And we have the handle area. So we have a cup and handle formation happening right now on Bitcoin. Now, a cup and handle formation is a major bullish formation. Okay, it's bullish because it tends to break to the upside. Okay, so it's wonderful to see. Every time we see a cup and handle formation, that's super duper hooray good news for anybody in crypto. Okay, so we have a major macro point of view cup and handle formation playing out right now on Bitcoin. Now, let me show you a little bit of a trick that you guys can do to identify patterns within the cup and handle formation. If you take the cup width, look at this. You take your square tool. This is the width of the cup. Okay, so we got the cup, the width of the cup itself, and you draw out a square using your square tool on the cup and handle. You take that square, okay, you copy paste it like that, and you place it exactly on top of the previous square. Okay, you take that square, you place it on top of the previous square. It is going to give you a target price for a breakout on a cup and handle formation. Okay, so basically look at where the price is playing out on Bitcoin as of right now. Right there on the money, guys. Right there on the money, right here. All this major resistance line. That's called a resistance line because Bitcoin is doing whatever the hell it can to break through that zone right there. If you don't know what a resistance is, just imagine that you're trying to jump and you hit the roof of your house. That's resistance. The roof is not going to allow you to jump any further. You're going to bump your head and come back down. And if that is resistance, the floor you walk on is your support. You're walking down the street and that is your support line. So basically, what do we do with that information? We're going to try and find out what are those zones. What are the resistance zones? What are the support zones? Identifying the pattern. What's the pattern? A cup and handle. Okay, so what do you do with a cup and handle? You draw your square tool to figure out where the price could go if it actually plays to the upside. Now that you know that, then you need to take action on that. So what's the target price? Let's do it. Let's do it right now. What is it telling me? Ooh, it is telling me that Bitcoin has a huge probability that we're going to see a 46K, 46,561K, 44,561. That's what this pattern is telling me right now. Can this actually play out? I have no idea. Of course it can. It can reverse to zero also. That's the beauty of TA. We can never get it 100% correctly. So basically what I'm saying is that TA doesn't work all the time, but it works most of the times if you know how to read the charts. You need to learn how to identify the patterns. What do those patterns do? And then take action on those patterns. You do that, my man. Let me tell you right now, your trading goes to a whole other level. That's it. That's pretty much all that TA really does. TA helps you to identify the pattern. It helps you to take action on that pattern. And then it shows you what to do with that pattern. Okay. So with that said, this cup and handle formation as of right now is ready to send it to the moon at 46,561. Now, what do we do with that information? We know that the price is going to the upside. Whether today, tomorrow, next week, the other week, it don't matter. Bitcoin is going to be stagnant to the upside for a very, very long time. What we try to do is to get in on the game at a perfect price. Okay, we know that it's to the upside. We always trade to the upside. I'm always longing Bitcoin. I never short Bitcoin. Okay, I'd rather not play the game than to short Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm always looking for a longing opportunity. Yes, I am highly skewed towards longing Bitcoin all the time, all day. Okay, so with that said, we know that the target price is 46,561. You write that down, you put it in the charts, you do whatever the hell you got to do, but that's your target price. Now, when do you go in? When do you start longing Bitcoin? Well, we always long Bitcoin on the way down. Okay, and we do it by identifying the golden zone on the Fibonacci. If that sounds complete Chinese for you, you don't understand what the hell I'm talking about, we're going to go in it today. Don't worry about that. So let's zoom in on the market right now on Bitcoin on the daily chart, and let's see what the hell the market is doing right now. So as you can see on the chart, we are definitely stagnant towards a sideways movement. It's just being stretched out. Just think of it like, you know that the news are going to say something, but they're just pushing it and pushing it and pushing, sort of like the XRP lawsuit. We know the XRP community is going to win, but they just keep pushing it and pushing it and pushing it further and further. And you're like, oh my God, when the hell are we going to get this goddamn lawsuit done? This is exactly what's happening with Bitcoin right now. The information is just like sideways. So we're probably going to see this formation right here. Boom, 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 boom. Kind of like that. Okay, kind of like this major sideways movement coming right around the corner right there, guys. Can you see that? Can you see that on the charts, guys? Now, two possible scenarios can play out. Either it breaks to the upside, either it's going to go like this, or it's going to go like this. I'm saying that it's going to go down. I'm betting that it's going to do a little bit of a retracement to the downside, because nothing goes up on a straight line without volume, without money flow. And the volume and the money flow are just not there. The volatility is just not there just yet. And normally, whenever we get this sideways stretched out action on Bitcoin, it tends to break to the downside. Now, if it breaks to the downside, I'm going to go in on Bitcoin. Okay. If it breaks to the downside, I'm going to go in on Bitcoin. When am I going to go in on Bitcoin? Very simple. Check this out. Use this strategy right over here. If you're new here, you're gonna learn real quick. Don't worry about it. Can you identify a low point on the chart? Yes. Can you identify a high point on the chart? Yes. Now, question number 3, is there a pullback on that high back down so that it forms a shark fin formation? Sort of like a triangle, shark fin formation. You know how sharks have that thing on the back? The fin? Does it look like a shark fin formation as of right now? No, it does not look like a shark fin formation because there is no pullback down on the price range just yet. So I am not going to go in on Bitcoin right now because I think that the price is going to pull down all the way down to where? The Fibonacci retracement. We're going to look for that tool over on our TradingView account. And we are going to draw out our Fibonacci from that low point, drag it all the way to that high point. And now we have on the charts a target price, a target entry price for Bitcoin. I don't know if it actually is going to play out to the downside. I never know. But if it does, I'm ready. I'm locked in. I'm going to go in on a long. Okay? Where am I going to go in on a long? On the highest demand zone on the Fibonacci. We have three choices. Actually, we have four choices. We either go in on the 382, we go in on the 0.5, we go in on the 618, or we go all the way down to the 1 starting point. Okay? All of those points are bullish. Okay? All of those points are bullish, meaning that they can bounce from here, it can bounce from here, it can bounce from here, and it can bounce from here. Now, in my trading school, the way that I do it, I always choose these two zones right here. That zone is called the golden zone, or the golden pocket, or how I call it, the fire sale zone. It's where the highest demand zone is for Bitcoin, thanks to the run up. It ran up, nothing goes up forever, it comes back down. Where is that back down going to be? The 618, the 0.5 and the 618 on the Fibonacci. That's also called confirmation zone. Okay, if you read a trading book, old school trading book, you're gonna they call that the confirmation zone. So whenever you trade on the confirmation zone, you're a confirmation zone biased. You're gonna hear that also a lot. And yes, I am 100% confirmation zone biased. I am long biased and I am confirmation biased. So I'm a confirmation long biased. So where am I going to go in on a long on Bitcoin? 27,367. Let me write that down on the screen so you guys can take a screenshot if you guys want. So my first entry price is 28,166 and the other one is 27,367. Those two zones right there, I am going to place 50% of my portfolio, the tradable percent of my portfolio in Bitcoin at 28,166 and the other 50% at 27,367. So I'm dollar cost averaging on the way down. If you want to play it safe, you're more of a conservative type of trader. Those are your $4 cost average zones on the way down. You got this one, the 382, the 0.5, the 618, and the 1. Okay. If it goes all the way down to the 1, we would have a double bottom formation. So if it goes all the way down here, entire panic across the board, of course, it's a negative 40% drop on Bitcoin. Beautiful to see, because if I get it down all the way down to 24K, I'm doubling down on my trade because that's a double bottom. And double bottoms tend to do what? To the moon. Okay, it would be a Bart Simpson formation, just a whole other, many other things that we hopefully will see, so that you guys can learn along the way. If we get it back down to 24K, that would be great. Okay, not scary at all. It would just be one hell of an opportunity to get in on even a lot more Bitcoin. But for me, my longest scenario for Bitcoin, 28,166 and 27,367. Let's cross our fingers, pray to the four winds and whatever God you pray to, that we actually get to those zones down there. Now, I don't know if we're actually going to go to those zones, but if we do, I get in at 27,000, I get out at 34K, which is the negative 382 on the Fibonacci, guys. Smash that like button if you guys want Bitcoin to go to 34K by tomorrow. The more you smash, the higher the Bitcoin price goes. Do what you got to do. So I go in at 27. I get out at 34. We reset the Fibonacci retracement tool once again to get an entirely whole new golden pocket zone. And then we rinse and repeat to the way to the upside, all the way up to the tippity top of 46,561, which was my target price as of the playable pattern of the cup and handle. Now that is what I call a trading plan for the next 3 months on Bitcoin. I'm saying that the next 90 days are going to be super critical for Bitcoin. And if it's super critical for Bitcoin, it's going to be humongous for the rest of the market, guys. Please stick around. Look at the charts. We're good. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. It'll be part of history, guys. You can say, I was there when Crypto Sensei said that Bitcoin was going to go to 46K in the next 90 days. I said it here, guys. It's recorded. We're going to go back into it. I could be completely full of shit. I'll probably be full of shit. 3 months down the line, the Bitcoin is not at 46K. I'm going to lose it. I'm going to lose it. I will tell myself that I'm full of shit. But yeah, guys, all joking aside, the next 3 months are going to be hella critical for Bitcoin right here, because that's going to give the time frame needed to break out of this cup and handle formation. And if it breaks through the upside, 46K right around the corner, guys. 46K. And if 46K is possible, guess what's over here? Let's keep zooming out. When in doubt, zoom out. What's this? What's this? Another cup and handle. You would have an even bigger, a bigger cup and handle formation. Okay? Obviously, this whole needs to be played out during the next few months. But if that is possible, you can technically say, well, then let's do another cup and handle formation pattern square tool. And where would that take Bitcoin? Let's just for shits and giggles, let's go into it. Let's just do it. Why not? You're going to see what the hell the price is going to do. You'll see. Check this out, guys. Check this out. So let's say, hypothetically, that we do get that breakout to the upside on this cup and handle formation here. Okay. Let's see that it actually does play out like that. Okay. Let's say that it actually plays out like that. We're going to take our square tool, copy paste it, put it on top of Bitcoin right there. And that's your next target price for that cup and handle formation. Where is it set at? Look at this, guys. Check this out. That's $81,000 per Bitcoin. 81K per Bitcoin. Next bull cycle. Of course, this is next bull cycle. We're not talking about today or tomorrow. This is after the halving, after the new president, after the bull cycle, like after November 2024. Okay. This is probably going to be January, February, March 2025. We're talking about long term down the line, okay? We need to play out the one before, okay? We need to get to 46K. If we get to 46K, we can get to 81. And if we can get to 81, we can get to a lot more than that, okay? Because this whole zone right here, whenever we break out all-time highs, all this area is called a discovery zone. Price discovery zone. We don't know what the top is going to be. Okay, we have patterns that we can use as a sort of like a mock-up of where it could go possibly, but it's price discovery. You never, ever will never know what the top would be. I'm thinking that for the next bull cycle, we're probably going to see 2 to 3 times the all-time high on the last. Oh, big shout out to Scott Campbell over on the Facebook. Thank you for that like, my man. Thank you for stopping by. On the next bull cycle, we're probably going to see 2 to 3 times the all-time high the last bull cycle. So if it was 70K, maybe $140,000 to $210,000 per Bitcoin. That's my target price. And some people are crying because they don't want to get in at 30 because it's too high. I don't know what to tell you for those people. I don't know what to say to those people. It's like, well, you do you, boo-boo. I'm doing me. I'm getting in on $28,000 on Bitcoin. Hopefully it actually does. I've been in on Bitcoin for a long fucking time anyway. So I was there at 15K. So I got my bags. You have yours. Do whatever you want to do with this information, guys. It's completely up to you. But I'm going to the moon with Bitcoin. It's my money. I do whatever the fuck I want with it. You do you, boo-boo. But those are my target prices for Bitcoin, guys. I'm sorry, and I went on this major rant on Bitcoin, but it said I want to emphasize the absolute craziness that's going to be playing out for Bitcoin in the next 3 months. Okay, super critical. We're probably going to get that 40% dump, and then we're going to fucking break that all-time high for the next bull cycle. Remember, guys, the halving. Let me see. Let me check it out. Bitcoin halving countdown. We actually have a date. We actually have a date, guys, of when the hell the bull cycle happens. Look at that, guys. We have less than a year. We have 265 days to get in on some Bitcoin action. This is how I'm going to be playing it out. Normally, I've been in 2 cycles already for Bitcoin. No, I went in on Bitcoin in 2012. 2012. That's when I bought for Bitcoin for the first time. I've been on two cycles. I've been on 2 cycles for Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin halving cycles. And it plays out exactly the same way, guys. Whenever we get close to the halving date, like around 3 to 4 days before the halving, the market always dumps because miners are going to get rid of the Bitcoin supply that they have. They're going to drop the price of Bitcoin, and then they come back in. But when they come back in, my man, they buy 4, 5, 10 times what they sold on the last bull cycle, on the last halving days, because the price is very, very, very low. Okay, they start selling their supply. They start selling their machinery, their mining equipment, because it's irrelevant from that point on. They take that cash and they buy more Bitcoin. So a huge injection of cash goes in whenever we get a halving. Okay, we get a dump first because miners sell their supply, and then a huge cash dump goes into Bitcoin, driving the price of Bitcoin. It's going to look like this. Okay. After that, we have a new president election in November for the United States. We're not going to get in on politics here. We don't talk about politics, but it doesn't matter. Whichever wins right after November, the new president, right there, that's your trigger. That's where you have to be in on Bitcoin, right at the election. Because right after the election, we have the bull cycle. A huge dump of cash just pouring in on cryptocurrencies, guys. It's been playing out the exact same way the last 4 cycles on Bitcoin, and it's gonna probably keep playing the exact same way for the next 4 cycles on Bitcoin, because the more cycles, the more halving happens, the less the supply is on the market. You get half the supply every single halving, every time you mine. But there's always only going to be 21 million Bitcoin. There's only one thing that can bring Bitcoin down, and that's a better technology that breaks the blockchain. If we ever get quantum computing on your phone, that could break Bitcoin, because you can solve an entire cryptocurrency blockchain in a matter of a second and literally break the technology. That could bring Bitcoin down, but what are the chances of getting quantum computing on your phone as of today? Very, very, very low. It's going to happen way down the line, but it ain't going to be this cycle. It ain't going to be the next one. So if you're thinking that you're too late, you're not late at all, brother. You're not late at all. Let's go in it, guys. Let's go. Big shout out for everybody here, guys. Big shout out to Neg over on the TikTok. Real talk, bro. My man, that's what I'm here for. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your appreciation. Josh, big shout out to you, Josh, over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Smash that like button if you haven't already. We're going to try to get to all-time highs on this major upside for Bitcoin. The more you smash the like button, the higher the Bitcoin price goes. Let's keep going, guys. Let's go. That was my rant on Bitcoin. It's recorded, guys. You can rewatch it again. It's on my YouTube channel if you want to see the recording of this live, because you're gonna want to save this video for the next 3 months. You'll see. And if not, then at least for the next bull cycle. Okay, moving on to a little bit of Ethereum. What is Ethereum doing right now? Let's zoom in right here. So Ethereum, the exact same scenario that was playing out for Bitcoin is playing out for Ethereum, because Bitcoin is king, Ethereum is queen. Whatever Bitcoin does, Ethereum does exactly the same way. These are the two major coins in the market. These are the coins that dictate the price of everything else. You have to you do your technical analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum in that order. Bitcoin first, Ethereum second, because then you have a macro point of view of what the hell the market is going to be doing. Okay, so let's go with that information and let's zoom in. Do we have a low? Yes. Do we have a high? Yes. Do we have a pullback on the high? Yes. So we have a shark fin formation happening right now on Ethereum. With that information, that translates into what? The Fibonacci. So let's draw out our Fibonacci retracement tool. And there it is. And look at what the hell Ethereum is doing right now. It's bouncing right on the 382 right here. Right on the money on 382. Look at this. It bounced exactly there. Now, in my personal opinion, I do not trade on the 382 on the Fibonacci. For me, the 382 is not support. It's resistance. Most of the times, it always acts like resistance, not like support. So I don't like to trade on the 382. Sometimes it bounces from there. It goes to all-time high, of course. But for me, my trading style, I don't go in on the 382. Okay. I have a better price range down here. Okay, right down here on the yellow zone on the Fibonacci levels, the demand zone, the 618. So my entry price to getting in on some Ethereum action is 1,802 and 1,760. There. Take a screenshot of that if you guys want to play out this same scenario that I'm playing out on this trade right here. Completely up to you. I am going to get in on some Ethereum action at those two price ranges right over there. That means that I am locked and ready to go. When the price hits those target prices, I go in on a long. Whether it plays out or it doesn't, I don't care. I get in on those zones. Okay? Only trade with 2% of your portfolio just in case it doesn't go your way. Most likely it won't. And that way you don't lose your entire portfolio on a single trade. Never, ever, ever do that. That is how I am going to play out this scenario right over here on some Ethereum action. Okay, guys? Josh, big shout out to Josh H over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow, my man. Thank you. Josh is saying, what is your price prediction on XRP after the ruling? We're going to talk about that right now. We're going to talk about my beautiful baby girl XRP right here. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you right here. Guy, my man, let me tell you right now, just out of the top of my head, my target price for XRP, my first take profit zone, this is where I'm going to start selling my XRP. Not that that's going to be my, like, the all-time high. That's not going to be like, it's not going to go ever higher than that. My target price for my first take profit zone is $5. Okay, why? Because $5 was supposed to be the all-time high the last bull cycle. Now, what happened the last bull cycle? They got sued. They got delisted. Volume, money, and FUD was out of XRP. Okay? Now, while coins are getting started on their lawsuits now, today, Cardano, Matic, Solana, so many other coins, they're going to start getting delisted. Their money flow is going to be being taken out. The same thing that happened to XRP is going to start happening to every other coin. But what's the difference between XRP and every other coin? That we are ending the lawsuit now. They're starting out. They still haven't seen the struggle that we've seen the last 2 years for XRP. Bullshit. I've been holding XRP since 2017. I went in on XRP when it was less than a cent. I held it all the way up to $3, sold at $3, and bought back in at 17 cents back in December 2020. And I've been holding on to that sucker ever since. So the struggle is real. Point is, XRP ending the lawsuit now. Whatever outcome happens, we are ready. We're locked and loaded. It doesn't matter. We're still going to make money either way. Okay. My target price, if we win the lawsuit in the short term, is $5. And my price range is $5 to $13. Okay, 4, 5, and 13. Whatever happens within those zones, I'm going to start selling my XRP. But let me tell you right now that it could go to all-time highs, even higher than that. I don't know what the price range is. There's a lot of moon boys out there, 10,000, 30,000. Now, my target price is $5. Wait for the new Fibonacci retracement to happen. Then I go in on the next golden pocket zone whenever it reaches $5. Go back in lower because nothing goes up forever. There's going to be pullbacks. Go back in on XRP and rinse and repeat until we reach $100 per XRP. Whenever the hell that's going to happen. If it actually happens. On the flip side, it can go to 0. And if it goes to 0, then it goes to 0. I've always had that commitment that we either go to the moon with this fucker or we sink with it. There is no in between. Either we make it or we don't. Well, anyway, guys. So, what is happening with XRP right now? How are we going to play XRP right now? Do we have a low? Yes. Do we have a high? Yes. Do we have a pullback on the high? Yes. So, we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. So let's draw out our Fibonacci tool right over here. Boom. And what is XRP doing right now on the Fibonacci? Come on, guys. I can't do this any better for you. I just cannot. I can't go to your house and trade for you. It's not going to happen. Okay? You have to press the button at the levels. Whether it plays out or it doesn't matter. Right now, playing out exactly on the 618. So if you were on the ropes to getting in on some XRP action, this is your signal right now. Can we break to the upside? Of course. Can we break to the downside? Of course. This is the highest demand zone for XRP as of right now. Right now, this moment, right now. 47 cent XRP. That's your signal. That's where you get in. Okay? Make sure that you put a stop loss if you're using 100% of your portfolio to trade. I usually go in at a 2% stop loss on all of my trades if I use a stop loss. Lately, I haven't been using a stop loss. I've just been trading with 2% of the portfolio, and I just dollar cost average on the way down. I just keep doubling down on the trade over and over until it reaches a bouncing point or we go to 0. But right now, I'm talking to you right now, man, right there, 46 cents. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it. Look at that. You see it? Right there on the money. That's exactly where you're going to want to start stacking up on some XRP. Can it break to the downside? Of course it can break to the downside and keep going lower. Yes. Why? Check this out. We can play the same scenario the other way around. We have a high, we have a low, and we have a pullback on the low. So we have a reverse shark fin formation happening right here. Okay. That reverse shark fin formation gives me the opposite side of the Fibonacci retracement. There's always two ways that we have to look at things. It can either go up or it can go down. It's 50-50 chance. We always have to play out both scenarios. So let's draw out our Fibonacci the other way around. Okay, let's draw out our Fibonacci the other way around. High, low, and the pullback. There we go. Now you have a reverse Fibonacci retracement tool that is playing out like it should be by the rules. There was a high, there was a low, and there was a pullback on the low all the way to the 618 on the Fibonacci levels in reverse, which means that it found resistance within the 618. It cannot go higher than 52 cents for some reason. I don't know. That 50 cent mark is just crazy for the resistance zone. We just haven't been able to break that 50 cent mark. I don't know why. 50 cent, what are you doing with us, man? Come on, stop playing. So if we break to the downside on the Fibonacci, your target price is the -382 on the way down, which tells me that there is a high probability that we're probably going to see a 41,457 XRP. A 41 cent XRP. So what do you do with this information? You play both sides of the war. You pay for both sides. You have to long, and you have to long when there's a short opportunity. Okay? So you long it at 46 cents and you long it at 41 cents. That's called dollar cost averaging on the way down. One of those two zones is going to be a bouncy bounce zone. Unless we get like a black swan event that everything just absolutely crashes out of nowhere. We've gotten those before COVID back in 2020, but that was actually the trigger of the next bull cycle. We had the COVID, we had the halving, and we had the new president, all happening in 2020. 2019, March 2020. Yeah. So yeah, guys, you have to play both scenarios. You have to get in at 46 and you have to get in at 41. How would I play that out? I would get in at 46 and then I would take a little bit of my portfolio and get in at 41 cents and wait. And just wait. See if it actually plays out. Okay. You don't believe me? Try out this same scenario on this part of the chart right over here. There was a shark fin formation and it played out. There was a reverse shark fin formation right over here. And it played out. It went down. See? You have to know both sides of the game. We got in here and we got in here. Okay? And that trade right there, look at it. Look at it. I put my trades where my mouth is. Look at all those trades. These are all those dollar cost averaging trades on XRP as of right now. Okay? Most of them are positive. I'm winning on this trade a beautiful 24% on my trade. Okay, 24% on my trade. And I'm holding on. I'm going to keep holding on to that XRP trade for a long time. Long time. Smash that like button if you want XRP to go to $100, guys. We're going to do it. We're going to go in it. That, guys, is how I'm going to be playing out my XRP trade. Let me get some water. Big shout out to G over on the YouTube channel. XRP to the moon. Let's go. I'm all for it, my man. I'm all for it. I'm strapped in. Are your bags full? My bags are full. I'm strapped in. I'm on the rocket. What are you doing? What are you doing, guys? All right, guys. Look at what is happening right now on Litecoin. Let me get rid of this. Let me start all over. There you go. If you guys are trading Litecoin, what is happening right now with Litecoin? We have a low. We have a high and we have a pullback on the high. That is a shark fin formation. So you draw out your what? Your Fibonacci retracement tool right there. G is for, well, I don't know, gorilla, I'm guessing. Over on the YouTube. How much do you think you need? How much do I think I need for what? You mean how much XRP do you think you need to be like over the top? Like a life-changing XRP amount? Life-changing amount? How much XRP do you need to, well, I'm guessing, personally, it really all depends on how much you can afford. How much can you afford to lose? It's better to have a little than to have none whatsoever. But if my target price is $5, how much money do you want to make? It depends on how much you can afford. $5 is my target price. You need like what? Like if for $50,000, you would need like 10,000 XRP. Can you afford $5,000 worth of XRP right now? I don't know. Tato over on the Twitch. Haha, wife changing. Well, that doesn't sound good. It was a joke. It was a joke. I swear. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. It was a joke. It was a joke. Moving on to some. What do you mean, Tato? Tato saying over on the Twitch. What's it though? I don't understand what are you trying to say? So Litecoin, guys, as of right now, look at this. What is it doing as of right now, this moment? It bounced exactly on the 0.5. Did you catch it? It was right there. Did you catch the bouncy bounce? No? Don't worry. You're going to have another chance at the 618 on the Fibonacci right over here. I'm just saying that if you didn't catch it at 93, go in at 87. If you caught it at 93, you're in profit right now because it bounced exactly on 93. And you're in profits. You're in profits. Did you catch it? Were you in it? Are you in it? Oh man, come on. I hate fucking advertising on YouTube. So that, guys, is how I am going to be playing out this Litecoin action right over here. I'm going to get in at an 87.90. Let's see if it actually plays out. Take a screenshot of that if you guys want to trade the exact same way. But yeah, G, I don't know, maybe 10,000 XRP, 100,000 XRP, a million XRP. What are your goals? What do you want to do with your XRP? You know, how much money do you actually want to make? Target price is $5. How much do you need for that to be life-changing for you? For me personally, it's a million XRP. I want to hold a million XRP. That's my target. At $5, that's $5 million. 128K XRP? Fuck yeah. 128,000 XRP with 100,000 XRP. We're talking about at $5. That's $500,000, bro. That's, for me, that's super hella life-changing. You know what I could do with $500,000? With $500,000, I would get into like a commercial real estate, you know? I would get in that commercial real estate, buy some buildings, get loans, buy some buildings, do commercial real estate. Maybe a little bit of Airbnb here and there just for shits and giggles. That's what I would do. Multiply, more assets. Average is 37 cents. You bought at 37, dude, that's huge. That's huge, man. You the man. You should be proud of that, man. Not a whole lot of people hold 100,000 plus XRP. Not a whole lot of people hold a shit ton of XRP. I read somewhere that the majority of people who hold XRP hold less than 500 XRP. So the gap, the wealth gap between wallet addresses in XRP is huge. Huge. Less, more than what? It was like 99% of the whole XRP holders are less than 500 XRP. I mean, that's not to say that one person doesn't have multiple XRP wallets. Of course they can. You can have as many wallets as you want. But playing the average, yeah. So 100,000 plus XRP, man, you the man. I really hope that you have them on your Ledger or your EliPal device. Don't leave them on any exchange, that's for sure. You never ever want to lose that XRP. Moving on to some XLM action. What is... Oh my God. Guys, look at what XLM is doing. It's playing out exactly, guys. Did you get in on the last live stream? I told you Friday. Get in at 0.096558 and 0.09517. Did you get in? Did you catch it? Right there. There it is. No? Don't worry about it. There's a better chance down here, guys. Here, take a screenshot. That's your next chance. If it actually plays out. Okay? If it actually plays out, the 618. Right now, if you actually caught it at my target price before on Friday, you're in profits. You're in profits. Do whatever you want to do with that information, guys. But XLM, better target price, 0.09. I've always said XLM is a sleeper. XLM, anything less than 10 cents on XLM, stack up on your XLM. Stack up on your XLM. 0.091517. Okay. Let's look at Cardano. What the hell is Cardano doing? So Cardano found the support within the 618, exactly like it was supposed to be played out during the weekend. It broke the 382 to the upside. Still looking for support on the 382. Most of the times the 382 does not act as support, it acts as resistance. So could be weak, it could be weak. But if it holds, then your target price for some Cardano action is 33 cents on the negative 382. Do with that information as you may on some Cardano action, but if you're not in on Cardano, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing with your life. Hope you caught it over on the weekends, guys. Look at this. Oh, yeah, no, definitely hope you caught some Cardano over on the weekends. Let me look at Bitcoin Cash. What is Bitcoin Cash doing right now? Bitcoin Cash, these are your trading entry prices right over here. We have a low, we have a high. We still don't have a pullback on the high. There's probably going to be some price action to the downside. You're going to want to take advantage of it. Those are your two entry prices. Take a screenshot of that if you want to play it out exactly like I am. Do whatever you want to do with that information. But that's going to be my trading exactly like that on some Bitcoin Cash action. We wait for the pullback. I'm getting hungry. Are you guys hungry? I'm fucking starving. You know what I could eat right now? Krispy Kreme donut. I want a Krispy Kreme donut. God damn it, I want a fucking Krispy Kreme donut. Solana. What is Solana doing right now? So Solana. Oh, man. Bro. Solana played out exactly like I told you. Look at this. It found the support within the 618. It broke the 382 to the upside. And your target price was $22.881. Did you catch this trade over the weekend, guys? Told you on the last live stream. We're going to probably see some more price action on Solana to the upside. Remember that FTX is being revived once again. I have no idea why people are still trading on FTX. Hey, I'm not judging, but why would you want to buy FTX coin after the... I don't know. But that's good news for anybody holding on to some Solana action. It's probably going to drive the price to the upside. Your target price is $22.81, and then we're going to wait for the reset. We do another Fibonacci retracement tool. We find out where we're going to get in on some Solana action on the next pull to the downside, and we jump into it. But as of right now, you're too late. This is when I gave you guys that signal to getting on some Solana action. Make sure that you subscribe, you follow, you go to my Discord, because I send out all these signals over on my Discord. I told you when to get in, when to get out. If you're not part of my Discord, you're definitely missing out, guys. Completely free. Go ahead and head over to my Discord, link in my bio. But I gave you guys the signal to getting in on some Solana action right over there. I actually did this on stream live, so make sure that you follow. Make sure that you follow me here or every other platform. I'm streaming on every platform. No excuse, guys. No excuse. That was your signal to getting in on some Solana action. Hope you took advantage of that, and I hope you made some money on this trade. Okay? So as of right now, today, as is this moment right now, on Solana, I'm not going to trade it. It's too late. You're not going to get in it. We don't get in on the green. We get in on the pullback. So draw out your Fibonacci. Let's do that. Let's do that right now. We have a low. We have a high. And we're having a possible pullback on the high. So let's draw out our Fibonacci levels. There we go. And these are your new trading entry prices to getting in on some Solana action. If it goes higher than it is right now, then we need to reset this chart, okay, to the new high points. Okay? But as of right now, that's what we got, $19 and $18. Okay? Do with that information as you may. Trade it however the hell you want to, but I'm getting in on some Solana action on the pullback at $19 and $18. Doge. Are you guys still trading Doge? Why are you guys still trading Doge? I don't know. I don't know why you torture yourself like this. Doge played out the negative 618, bouncing from there, but I'm still seeing a whole lot of volume and a whole lot of resistance to the downside. I don't see this recovering anytime soon. This is still your playable scenario right over here, 0.05590. We're probably going to see that price range once again. Take a screenshot of this if you guys want to play it out like that. But 5 cents, that's your support line. 5590, okay? Put a limit buy order if you guys want to participate in this Doge action at 5 cents, 5590. Okay, that's how I would play it out, okay? Smash that like button. Thank you, Neg, for that like over on the TX Talk. You guys are amazing. We are at 3.2 thousand likes on the TX Talk. That's amazing, guys. That's way beyond. Never thought in my life I would get so many likes. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I'm not even going to talk about Chiva Coin. Fuck Chiva Coin. Let me look at the total market cap just for shits and giggles. Total market cap bouncing out of that 618 zone, spelling out exactly like how it should. Yeah, I'm seeing great news coming right around the corner for Bitcoin, guys. All I see is upward momentum. I don't see any reason why this sucker should go back down. I just don't see it. It found support in the 618. It broke through the 382. We're going to see $1.4 trillion in the market cap. And guess who's going to have the $400 billion injected? Bitcoin. $400 billion. Where the hell would $400 billion put Bitcoin? $46,000? I don't know. You tell me. Thank you, Josh. Big shout out to Josh over on the TikTok. Thank you for that like, my man. Thank you for the likes. And I'm hungry, bro. I want a fucking Krispy Kreme donut. Balva, big shout out to you, Balva, over on the TikTok. What do you mean, Suka? Is that a coin? Suka? Suck on this nuts. If that's a coin, that's a kick-ass name for a coin. I'm gonna name my coin like that. Sucker. Suck on these nuts. Yeah, it is a fucking coin. That is hilarious. What the heck does Sucker do? Suck on these nuts. That's what she does. 3 cents. Let me see what the hell this coin does. What is suck on these nuts? It's a meme coin based on Japanese legend of a special kind of dragon called blah, that is believed to bring good fortune to those who hold it. Really? So it's a major shit coin. Like, it's the shittiest of shit coins. Let's go in it. It's being traded on Bitget. Yo, let's check this coin out. Suck on these nuts is being traded on the low. Like, Balva, my man Balva. If you were waiting for a sign to getting in on some suck on these nuts coin, it's right now. That point that I just drew on the charts right now is the all-time low for this coin. Okay? That line is acting as a whole lot of support for that line. So as of this moment right now, this 3 cent mark that is playing out right now, 3 cents exactly, that's where you're going to want to start stacking up on some Suka coin. Okay? So, yeah. High risk, high reward. This is a meme coin. This is a major shit coin. Do with it however the hell you want, but if you're waiting for a sign from the gods, there it is. There it is. Get in on some suck of these nuts. Right here. Suka coin. As of right now. Okay? Okay. No reason why not to get in on this coin. None whatsoever. Let me write this shit down because I'm gonna look at this coin again. I'm gonna keep an eye out on this mofo. Thank you for bringing it here, Balva. You the man. Suka. That's a kick-ass name, by the way. Suka on these nuts. So we're gonna keep an eye out on that one, my man. Okay? Let's do it. Uni. You want to talk about Uniswap? Yeah, we can talk about Uniswap. Of course, we can look at Uniswap. Let's look at some Uniswap coins. What is the Uniswap doing right now? So as of right now, my man, Uniswap has a low, has a high, has a pullback on the high. So that translates into a shark fin formation. That translates into the Fibonacci levels. So if you are on the ropes to getting in on some Uniswap coin, this is your entry price to get in on some Uniswap tokens. As of right now, $4.67. Let me put that down on the charts right now so you can take a screenshot. 4.67 and 4.41. That's your golden pocket, golden zone, fire sale zone for some Uniswap coin. Wait for it to actually play out, but that's exactly where I'm thinking the price is going to bounce from, and more power to the upside for the next bull cycle. Get in on some Uniswap at those two price ranges right over there, 4.67 and 4.51. Let's see if it actually plays out. Let's pray to the gods. Big shout out to Badva over on the checks out. Thank you for that like. Smash that like button if you haven't already, guys. We're going to try to get to that 5K mark on the likes. Can we get to 5K? Can we get to 4K? Let's see if we can get to 4K. 4K likes. Another gem. Let's say 0x0.ai. Let me look at that one. Let me do a little bit of research. 0x0. .ai. That's an AI smart contract. But this one is not. This isn't traded in an exchange. This is a swappable coin. I don't think I'm not gonna be able to do technical analysis on this coin until it gets listed in an exchange. Let me see. I don't think so. Let me see. Yeah, no, I can't do a... Actually, no, bullshit, I can. Yes, I can. Balua, what are you doing, my man? You're just spitting facts here, bro. You're just bringing me some major, hella good coins. Where the hell did you come from? We have a low. We have a high, and we have a pullback on the high, so we have a shark fin formation. Another coin that's looking like a good gem right over here is smart AI smart contracts. It's all about the AIs, my man, you know? It's all about the AI. So as of right now, we found the support within the 618 right over here, way back when. That was in June. So we found the support on the 618. Now we're trying to break out of this 382. So if you guys are still on the ropes to getting in on this coin, you don't have this coin as of just yet, wait. Because the 382 is acting as hella resistance right now. Remember what I told you in the beginning of this video? That the 382 doesn't tend to act as support. It tends to act as resistance. This is what I'm talking about right here. Right now, the 382 is hella resistance. It couldn't break it here. It couldn't break it over here. So if you're on the ropes, you're getting in on this coin, these are your two entry zones. 0.1234, 2624, and 0.1234, 2004. So if I was going to trade this coin right over here without no technical, like I don't even know what the hell this coin does. All I know is that it has AI on the name and everybody loves the AI. Then I'm going to get in on some action on this coin at those two zones right there. Okay. Not right now, not today, not in this moment. I believe there's going to be a mini pullback down. That's where I'm going to go in. If it actually does break the 382, then hooray. If you're holding on to this coin, keep holding on to it, because that's just telling me that this has a huge potential to get in all the way up here at 0.7259. But to get to 7259, it has to break the 382. It has to close above 3244. Put an alarm. You can put an alarm on your phone, on your TradingView account, that if it breaks above 3244, my man, 7259, you're probably gonna double your money if it actually plays out. I don't know. This coin is also looking kind of saucy to the upside. So let me write this down. I'm gonna keep an eye out on that one. My man Bulva just spitting fucking gold right here. 0x0. When it comes to technicals, I don't know what this coin does, but technicals alone, I'm just looking at the charts, just doing the math. Saucy, looking kind of saucy. Let me write this down. So thank you, Bulva. Thank you for bringing those two golden coins right over there. Bulva saying over on the TikTok, ETH rewards on their decks. That's what they do. They do buybacks with the tax. Yeah, I know what those are. Yeah. All holders get 100 of revenue fees on their decks. Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. Thank you. No, thank you for stopping by, my man. Thank you for the likes and thank you for appreciating this hour of power. I'm here every day, guys. 5 p.m. Eastern. Let's keep it going. Ooh, no, I gotta go. All right, guys. Thank you for stopping by. That's all the time I got for you today, guys. I'll be back again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Or 5:30-ish. Let's see how it actually plays out. I don't know exactly what's going to happen tomorrow, but I'll be here at 5. So make sure that you follow and subscribe from all the platforms out there, guys. I'm streaming on every single platform. I'm streaming on YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, Kick, Facebook. No excuse not to get my entry prices, not to learn how to trade crypto, guys. I'm here every day, 5 p.m. Eastern on all the platforms. You can find the link on the description of my video or in my bio if you're on the TikTok. Thank you for stopping by, guys. Had a whole lot of fun. I hope you did too. I will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Make sure that you smash that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe and follow on all the platforms out there. We're going to try to get to that 10,000 subscriber mark on all the platforms, guys. Thank you for stopping by. Had a whole lot of fun. Hope you did too. I will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. God bless. Take care and have a good one.